Hey everybody, Steve Burns here from Chromolution.com as well as the Warp Nacelle Facebook page. Okay, so this is done, got the final approval by the client. This is what the client wanted. And they wanted one of the original designs for the bridge, which is much more of the simplistic version and the rounded version. And so got some details in there. Let's go on and zoom in close here. Details in here for the docking bay leading up to the bridge of the Starship Enterprise. Now this is designed for the 1/350th scale Enterprise. So what you're going to do is you're going to cut out that first ring on the Enterprise where your bridge sits right on top of, and then this is going to replace it. So I kind of just go on the inside and see what I've done. I've got the windows according to some of the original designs all placed in there. The hatch will be in there as well. Let's go on the inside. The inside is completely hollowed out, and if you look right here, right up here is the strobe light. So it's going to go on either right or left side of the docking bay for the bridge. And I've designed it so that you can actually, the whole board is right on through. So you can put your lights up in here, and then I made it easy to put wiring. If I get in closer, you can see this. They're bigger circles. The little smaller ones is where your LED lights will sit. And this, I put a larger size in here, so it makes it a lot easier for you to kind of put in your wiring. But that's pretty open in there. And I also gave it enough room to actually build the bridge, a whole nother deck in here, a bridge, which is kind of what this particular client might want to do. For a next project is to actually build the bridge that'll connect right inside here. So a lot of room to play in here and a lot of room for detail. All right, so let's go ahead and put the dome on top. So let's see, how about if I go and let's grab the sensor dome. There it is. Okay, so the sensor dome will be printed separately. Okay, so that'll sit right on top. So it gives you some room to kind of move around. And then I'm going to bring in the hatch doorway here in just a moment. Okay, there we go. I just put in the hatches there, and there it is. Okay, let's actually go ahead and bring over here the sensor dome as well. Just connect that. Yep, there it is. So hatch installed, windows are there. This is going to be printed in a different plastic at the top, probably a clear. And of course, we have to find a way to, probably to a clear cellophane or something, or a clear acetate to go on the back for these windows here. But as you can see, lots of space, lots of room. It'll fit right in there quite snug with the original 1/350th scale Constitution class Enterprise. Okay, so next I'm going to put it on the printer and get it printing. And then when I will show you the results for that when that is completed. Okay, all right, everybody. Looking forward to seeing this. It's going to be a nice long print job because I think I'm going to go with a 0.3 nozzle and then do a very high resolution print. So that the client is getting a nice high resolution original. And so you shouldn't have very little work on your part to really to improve upon it. You should get it pretty much looking great, and without a lot of sanding. And I'm going to try to print this out so that there's no sanding. I should have a real nice fine resolution. Okay, all right. I know a lot of people are doing sanding from some of the lower res copies that you've been getting, but my goal here is to produce a product that you won't have to actually put that much effort into it. You put more effort into building the model and giving it the beautiful detail that you want, rather than trying to correct it back to technical correct specs, so to speak. Okay, all right, so that's all for now. More coming up when I get this started printing and it's completed. I will give you guys an update for that as well. All right, guys, Steve Burns from Chromolution.com as well as Warp Nacelle on Facebook page, signing off.